So now we're going to start to reassemble the dishwasher. So to do the reassembly of this, we are now going to pry this part over here, which we jammed in. So just going to slightly pry it out so it clips back in. And we're going to do the same on the other side as well. So again, slide your flat blade screwdriver up there, just against the lug, very carefully. That's it. Don't want too much of a bend up there, but just enough. So that's done. So next part is we also have to clean the seal over here. So get cracking, get a cloth and just give it a little bit of a clean. So, and might as well give the other one a clean as well. Clean these O-rings before we put them back in. So this sits likewise on this. Now we are going to realign everything, the chamber. Now this has got a clip. There are clips over here that have to lock into the bottom of the base frame. So we'll now lift and carefully start on the right hand side, line up everything, line that up on that side, don't push it all the way. Same over here, lift and just realign these holes. Still a little bit more. There we go. Keep getting these things in. There we go. Now we are more or less in line. So first things first, bang at the back. That locks the top. Done. So the machine is now back together. Everything's clipped in place, looking good. So now all we have to do is we can put the hinge ropes back together over here. As we remove the hinge ropes, we're going to put the hinge rope carriers in place, and then we can do a test cycle.